So this is the replacement of a screen and a battery on a MacBook Pro, and this is what the battery looks like when it expands. Wish all those swollen up like balloons. This is one of the worst ones I've seen. And this is what the battery looks like new. So from that to that, and it's not all of them. Frankly, a lot of them after a long enough period of time swell up. Suppose swelling up is better than exploding. But we got to remove that out of there and then put in this new one. Okay, now the new battery's in, the next part is to replace the screen. So this is inside of a MacBook Pro A1502. And this is so that I can attach a screen to it. Nice brand new looking screen. And then essentially you just slip it on there, there's nothing to it. It's a lot. It'll probably be like a half an hour or so. So up here in the corner, you have your 3 hinge screws, 3 on both sides, and then you have your video cable. And then this is where your Bluetooth and wireless, or that might just be the wireless. But you gotta unwrap those, get them out from under this, unplug them from here, and then swap out the screen, get the brand new screen over here ready to go. Alright, cable's back and out, and the video cable over here is taken out. So the next thing you need to do is you need to pry up these hinges, open them, because the screen will not slip off unless this piece is pried up. So I'm going to need 2 hands for this. It's the next step. Alright, and then with the hinges bent up, there is a little screw, one on each side, another star head, and that's literally just a little clip that makes it so that the screen can't slip out. And after that, then it'll slide right out. Screws are in, hinges are down. The next part is replugging everything in. Just a quick mention, unplug your battery before you do that. With power in the system, there's always a chance, however light, it's better just not to take it. So unplug the battery so that there's no power, and then plug it all in. And there it is, the new screen. A little bit of suspense there. And there it is, working as it should.